this is Carlos again. In this video, I will show you our production process of LED street light. Attach a production flow chart to give you a general idea of the process. Okay, let's go to the site now. We are a dust-free and static-free factory, so before entering the production line, we should wear the anti-static clothing and through the automatic voice air shower. Here is our production line waterproof of LED strip. Here is the production line of IP67 silicone filling LED strip. After finished aging testing of non-waterproof LED strip, we place the empty silicone tube on the table, time the white cable of LED strip with the load inside the silicone sleeve. One star, put the load from one end to the another end and make the LED strip can pass the sleeve while pulling the staff. Use air gun to blow air into the sleeve so that the LED strip can be slid to the bottom of sleeve and pass through the casting smoothly. After the LED strip have been completely inside the sleeve, they are put on the operating table. End of the strip must be higher, this to prevent the liquid silicone glue flowing out. In order to make sure the silicone glue can be filled through the whole sleeve smoothly and no air bubbles. When one staff injects the silicone glue in this end, another staff extracts the air with exhaust fans in another end. After finished silicone filling the strip, air dry for around 8 hours. Once the strip is dry enough, we cut off extra silicone sleeve, testing, install and care. Here we pay attention. We need to brush the glue treatment on the back of the LED strip and then slip 3M tape. Otherwise, the 3M tape is easy fall off from the back. Finally, aging test, reeling and packing. Okay, so much for production processing of our regular waterproof LED strip. Let's go for next product. See you.